stringent,
厳格な、
stringent,
The company has implemented stringent safety protocols to ensure the well-being of its employees.
obsolete,
時代遅れの、
obsolete,
Fax machines have become obsolete in many offices, replaced by more efficient digital communication tools.
perceptive,
洞察力がある、
perceptive,
Her perceptive observations about customer preferences helped the company launch a successful marketing campaign.
resilient,
回復力がある、
resilient,
Despite the economic downturn, the local community remained resilient and supported each other through difficult times.
pertinent,
適切な、
pertinent,
It's important to ask pertinent questions during interviews to gain a clear understanding of the candidate's qualifications.
articulate,
話がはっきりしている、
articulate,
The spokesperson was articulate and eloquent, conveying the company's message with clarity and confidence.
enigma,
不可解なもの、
enigma,
The mysterious disappearance of the ancient artifact remains an enigma that archaeologists are still trying to solve.
formidable,
手強い、
formidable,
The team faced a formidable challenge in meeting the tight deadline, but they managed to deliver the project on time.
mundane,
平凡な、
mundane,
Despite his exciting job in marketing, he found most of his daily tasks to be mundane and repetitive.
perilous,
危険が伴う、
perilous,
The mountain climbers faced a perilous journey through the treacherous terrain.
prolific,
多作の、
prolific,
She's a prolific writer, having published over a dozen novels in the past 5 years.
superfluous,
不必要な、
superfluous,
The lengthy report contained many superfluous details that could have been omitted.
astute,
機敏な、
astute,
He's an astute businessman who always makes smart investment decisions.
perspicacious,
洞察力のある、
perspicacious,
The perspicacious detective quickly solved the complex case.
convoluted,
雑で理解しにくい、
convoluted,
The tax law is so convoluted that even experts find it difficult to interpret.
ubiquitous,
どこにでも存在する、
ubiquitous,
Smartphones have become ubiquitous in modern society.
arduous,
骨の折れる、
arduous,
The climbers faced an arduous journey to reach the summit of the mountain.
intrinsic,
本質的な、
intrinsic,
She has an intrinsic talent for playing the piano.
succinct,
簡潔な、
succinct,
His succinct explanation of the problem clarified the issue for everyone.
vehement,
熱烈な、
vehement,
She made a vehement argument in favor of stricter environmental regulations.
pervasive,
普及している、
pervasive,
The pervasive use of social media affects people's behavior and communication patterns.
detrimental,
害になる、
detrimental,
Smoking is detrimental to health.
esoteric,
難解な、
esoteric,
He is interested in esoteric philosophical theories that few people understand.
spurious,
偽の、
spurious,
The newspaper article contained spurious claims about the politician's past.
precocious,
早熟な、
precocious,
The precocious child started reading novels meant for adults at the age of 8.
inherent,
本来備わっている、
inherent,
Risk is inherent in any investment strategy.
feasible,
実行可能な、
feasible,
The project manager presented a feasible timeline for completing the construction.
Meticulous.
細心の、
Meticulous.
She is known for her meticulous attention to detail in every aspect of her work.
Rigorous.
厳格な、
Rigorous.
The company has rigorous quality control procedures to ensure product reliability.
Inept.
不適切な、
Inept.
His inept handling of the customer complaint only worsened the situation.
Myriad.
非常に多くの、
Myriad.
The internet offers a myriad of resources for learning languages.
Rudimentary.
初歩的な、
Rudimentary.
He only has a rudimentary understanding of computer programming.
Tenacious.
強靭な、
Tenacious.
Despite numerous setbacks, she remained tenacious in pursuing her career goals.
Coherent.
守備一貫した、
Coherent.
The professor presented a coherent argument supported by clear evidence.
Conundrum.
難問、
Conundrum.
The mystery surrounding the ancient artifact remains a conundrum for archaeologists.
Catalyst.
促進するもの、
Catalyst.
The new policy acted as a catalyst for economic growth.
Discerning.
洞察力のある、
Discerning.
She is known for her discerning taste in art.
Diligent.
勤勉な、
Diligent.
She is diligent in her work and always meets deadlines.
Comprehensive.
包括的な、
Comprehensive.
The report provides a comprehensive analysis of the market trends.
Copious.
たくさんの、
Copious.
She took copious notes during the lecture.
Treacherous.
危険な、
Treacherous.
The mountain path became treacherous after the heavy rain.
Recapitulate.
要約する、
Recapitulate.
Let me recapitulate the main points of our discussion.
Fraudulent.
不正な、
Fraudulent.
He was arrested for selling fraudulent goods online.
Unsuspecting.
疑いを持たない、
Unsuspecting.
The unsuspecting tourists fell victim to the pickpocketing scheme.
Adamant.
断固とした、
Adamant.
She remained adamant about her decision to resign.
Adjoining.
隣接する、
Adjoining.
The park has an adjoining playground for children.
Ornamental.
装飾的な、
Ornamental.
She placed ornamental plants on the balcony.
Emancipate.
解放する、
Emancipate.
She felt emancipated after leaving her controlling job.
Indulgence.
甘やかすこと、
Indulgence.
She enjoyed an indulgence in chocolate cake on her birthday.
Dilution.
薄めること、
Dilution.
The recipe called for dilution of the sauce with water.